Alright guys, today I'm going to be going over all of the upgrades I have done to my Kraton V6 to make it handle stuff like this. Oh, I think it took that landing though. East Texas Bash Day M2C Kraton. We're gonna be running these new China hobby batteries and we'll see how well they work. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Riding dirty. Sending it again. Oh, yeah, look at your shock mod. Oh my God. She took it. She's taking it. Ooh. Dude, she's landing perfectly. Come on, roll to me. Thank you. Batteries keep coming unplugged, but besides that, doing pretty good. Shout out M2C for all these parts, man. Allowing all of my stuff to run and take these jumps. I don't think my regular Kraton would have done that. I love this Kraton now. Oh yeah! Slash. Woo! Battery cut off again. Oh no. So after the jumps, I blew out a tire, and under further evaluation, it's just front wheel drive now. So we're gonna figure out what's going on here. Okay guys, so after further evaluation, it is the pins on the GPM drive shafts that I already had ordered before I got M2C. So obviously do not go with GPM as of now, as the little pins sheared directly off. So that's cool. That's gonna leave me where I can't run this car again. But besides that, all these M2C parts have been amazing. And the Trio hub. Yeah, the M2C drive shafts, we're taking it, landing it on the front. Has been amazing. This thing's gonna be dialed in as soon as I get more M2C drive shafts, because that's hilarious. All right, guys, so let's get into exactly what I've done. I'm gonna try to explain it through every part that I've done on here. Look at all these beautiful parts I got from my Kraton boys. Finally getting the Kraton up and running again after a few months. We got some M2C drive shafts. We got some M2C hinge pins here. We have a bash bar here. And then finally we have a center drive shaft, since I totally lost that. I'm super excited to throw these on my Kraton, and hopefully I can actually have longer than 5 minutes with it now. So this is currently my Kraton in a million pieces with everything on my desk. Look how beautiful this is here. I know we're upside down, but this is some beautiful M2C racing hinge pin sets here. All right, boys, while I had to install this onto the chassis, I also installed this plate at the same time to make one easy transition. Whoo, this thing is gonna be so nice, but it's gonna get messed up. Oh my God, guys, look how much thicker the M2C is than the regular. This is gonna be amazing. This is like a little pencil leg compared to this thick boy. Look how bad this front drive shaft was. Look at this angle on this drive shaft. So there you go, guys. We have the M2C bar there. We have the Trio rear hubs. We have the hinge pin carriers. Beautiful Trio and hinge pin carriers together. All right, boys. Now we're gonna be putting the RPM arms on my Kraton, because yeah, I snapped this one off and lost that M2C drive shaft. So this is gonna be the next upgrade to it. Let's get into exactly what I've done. All right, first of all, let's start up here at the front. I've added RPM top A-arms here because one of the first jumps I did, it absolutely snapped in half, and I'm never gonna go with regular Arrma arms anymore. A lot of Arrma people are gonna tell you, oh, RPM is too soft compared to the Arrma composite. No, it's not. RPM has been wonderful for me. But see, even this side hasn't broken yet, so I haven't replaced it. I also have bottom arms waiting, but they haven't got messed up yet. But while we're still here, the next thing I did is go to M2C drive shafts. Now, M2C is absolutely wonderful, and you're gonna see a theme with it here throughout most of this truck. The stock ones have been the biggest issue on this truck, where after like the third run I had it, they absolutely snapped and started trying to turn into a U, and we don't want that. This thing has took a lot of punishment if you guys have been following me for a while. Absolutely love my M2C drive shafts, and they're on the back as well. So here, I'm actually doing some maintenance on this truck right now. So this video might be a little bit too early because I'm also upgrading some more parts as we're going to be talking here. But these are the M2C shafts. They have not bent at all. And like I said, I've been so hard on this truck. Next thing we have here is this GPM A-arm holder. Now, M2C makes a wonderful one as well. This one was like $10 on sale or something, so I got it. It's been great because normally this is plastic, and this was also one of the first things that had broke on here. Now, the next thing I have done to this truck is I put the M2C M2C rear brace on here because this also snapped off. This thing has been wonderful since installing it. And you notice again, on the front one, I have the stock. I have not had any issue with that, so no need to replace it just yet. And I got my center brace, and if you look here, this must have popped out and or stripped out is what it looks like from my last run. So you know what? I already have an M2C order for the center brace here. We're gonna be doing away with that, but besides that, that thing has lasted pretty long just being stock. I have also upgraded my center to rear drive shaft with M2C as well. Like I say, their metal is just so much better than Arrma's that just wants to bend and turn into a U. So I have upgraded here, but again, on the front, it is absolutely stock, so I haven't had any issues with that. And as you can see, I'm doing some diff work here. I've been reading some forums on how to make my diff stronger, so I actually have taken it out, and I'll do another video explaining my diff work here. But what I do have is I have my Trill bulkhead slash rear diff here, and why I went with Trill for being a metal diff housing is because your normal Arrma ones are like 130 bucks now. This one's like $59.99 on Amazon, and it works just the same, if not better. Haven't had any issues with it because the stock one absolutely blew out again. But again, on the front, it has not blown out yet, so I no need to replace it. Next thing I did is my hinge pins turned into a U, or tried to on this truck. So I went ahead and installed M2C hinge pins, hardened hinge pins, front and rear back here, with, like I said before, my M2C drive shafts that would normally go here. And then I have my M2C brace bar here with the stock little skid plate as well over it. You don't really need this. This is just extra protection. I'm probably actually about to take it off. This brace bar has been absolutely phenomenal. It has kept my chassis straight from landing terribly or wonderfully, however you want to look at it. Absolutely think you guys need to get one of these. And the last thing on this truck so far is my rear A-arms. I've upgraded them to RPM because I keep snapping them. Like, Arrma A-arms are absolutely terrible to me, so this RPM has been wonderful. And so far, guys, that's pretty much all of the upgrades that I have for this truck to be absolutely bulletproof, or, you know, withstand Life of Ballen content. That's really all we're going for here, is to quit braking, last a whole battery. Like, that's been my goal with this truck. So far, it has been phenomenal doing this. However, you're about to watch the next part of the video where I do end up having diff issues, and that's why I am going to be rebuilding it bigger and better. But one last thing, on this truck, it has taken all of this punishment on punch 9, because day one I got this truck, I turned it all the way up to punch 9, because what's the point of running it on anything less than what it's actually capable of doing? So thank you guys, and hope you enjoy the second part of this video with some awesome Kraton content. Thank you. Well, this is how you finally build a Kraton to last. Now watch it break in 2 minutes.
Oh, dude, look at that.
What is it doing?
I don't think that's supposed to do that.
It's already broken.
Yeah, just send it.
You said send it right here?
Send it right here. Yeah. Hey. I hate the body so much. Body so much. Body so much.
Oh, that was a rock shot.
Oh, you broke it. You broke it. No, it broke. Hell, it broke.
That was another rock. Dude, we need to move that rock.
You broke.
Oh yeah, A-arm.
Arrma A-arms.
Oh my god.
I'm surprised I didn't mess the shock up.
Boys, I get over here in 2 minutes and you break that.
Oh, it creamed it right there.
Yeah.
I got lucky.
Yep.
M2C, make parts.
Just keep sending it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Two-stroke.
It's a two-stroke. Yeah. Let's go.
Yes. That body looks so sad.
You're good. You're good. I love that noise, bro. Yeah.
Okay, Byron Jr.
Yeah.
Man, it's been 4 minutes.
I know, and the Kraton's already lasted.
It did not work out how you wanted it to, did it?
It actually did.
Oh, okay.
That was so smooth.
That was.
Feels like it's losing power, but I think I always say
It
that.
sounds like it. Sounds way different.
I think I finally built this thing to work exactly how I want it to.
I don't think so.
Punch 9, boys, is insane. Everybody says it.
Punch 1, dude.
Oh, you're right. Love it, boys.
You know what's funny is people are going to be like, I guess they told Byron he can't drive too much now.
I know, we've been filming a lot. They don't know what we got planned. I love that stuff.
That one right there has a little bit of an angle to it, and so it just gives you that little bit of extra oomph.
Mm-hmm. There you go, that was a booter. And a nice flip too. It's nitro.
Two-stroke, dude.
It's nitro, guys.
Close.
I want to see you hit the rock. No! That was my first flippy flop.
Hey, Brett.
I don't think you can get it.
I'm going to help you real quick, okay?
Oh, God. I'm standing on the edge.
Oh! 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 I think it's... Oh, man. We both jumped out of the way and... Oh! Hey! He hit the rock! Oh, my God! I'm sorry, that'd have been beautiful. That thing would have been beautiful if it had hit the trash. That's all I'm doing. Oh, Brett's like you.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Brett, you almost died. Okay.
And you dented it. All the sand falls.
All the sand just pours out.
Hey, we're bringing dirt up here.
Oh, oh.
Hey, hold on. I'll fix it for you.
No, it's funny looking. Leave it.
Yeah, I think you're good. I think you're good now.
Just floor it and launch it. Somebody. Oh! Ryan?
Okay, John. We got the crate out here now. Stock. Everything's stock just on punch 9. I turn everything all the way up. Ah!
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good, dude. Had to save it. Oh no! Oh! Hey! Oh, but I just messed up something on mine doing that. You're good. Let me figure out what it is. I'm only 3-wheel drive.
A little pin.
Oh, inside the diff? Yeah. Gosh, darn it. Haven't had that happen with this yet.
Really?
Nope. Ow! That's the motor. That's hot. And it just turns into 3-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Man, Cratons. Well, that's all for the Kraton.
And that's the bottom side of it, so it's not going to be easy.
No, I'm at to tear the whole diff. If it's like the sledge, you got to tear the whole diff apart to get to the dang thing.
Yeah, you got to pull the guts out.
Yeah. Man, guys, today is just a thing of breaking every car. And we're not even being hard on them. And sure enough, guys, is what John called. It was a little pin. It absolutely shredded this gear because it's supposed to have like a little retainer on there like that. Shredded the gear and the pin was all inside my diff, so I had to get a brand new one. But I'm going to be rebuilding the diff with some extra goodies that's coming up soon.